Edgar Steven Davids, born March 13, 1973, is a Surinamese-born Dutch former professional footballer. After beginning his career with Ajax, he subsequently played in Italy for AC Milan and Juventus before a loan spell with Barcelona. He went on to play for Inter Milan and Tottenham Hotspur before returning to Ajax. Having struggled with injuries for 2 years, Davids returned to competitive football during a brief spell with Crystal Palace before retiring at the age of 37. In 2012, he was appointed player-manager at English League Two club Barnet. He resigned by mutual agreement as manager in January 2014. He was capped 74 times by the Netherlands at international level, scoring 6 goals, and represented his country at the FIFA World Cup once, and the UEFA European Football Championship 3 times. Davids was known for standing out on the football field for his dreadlocked hair and the protective goggles he wore due to glaucoma. A combative, energetic, and creative midfielder, Davids was nicknamed the Pitbull by Louis van Gaal because of his marking ability and his aggressive tackling. Throughout his career, Davids was renowned for his outstanding technique and ball skills, as well as his passing ability and vision. He was also known for his pace, strength, power, stamina, tactical intelligence, versatility and tenacity, as well as his ability to read the game, which, along with his technical ability, allowed him to be deployed in several midfield positions, including as a left midfielder, or as a central, box-to-box, or defensive midfielder. He was one of the players chosen by Pelé to feature in the FIFA 100, his list of the world's greatest living footballers. His cousin Lorenzo is also a footballer.